guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be very quick doing this video, but I'm going to be doing a squishy package opening video. So I'm just going to open these with my handy dandy scissors and be back with you guys. Okay, you guys, I discovered that this actually is not a squishy package. So yeah, I'm just going to open this one. What is it? It's my Jumbo Panda Bun I ordered. You guys, okay, well, this is it. I'm just going to get it out of the packaging and then show you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is it. They did say it was Jumbo and it had a keychain. And that is correct. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm just going to show you a quick peek of all of my squishies. Yeah. Take a look. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a squishy collection soon. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to let you guys go. Love you guys. Bye. It's LPS. Happy Rocks.